In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve tasks in Asana. Approvals are a really helpful way to keep your work organized and make sure everyone knows when something is officially good to go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look out for so you can confidently approve tasks in Asana without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you're in the correct project where the task lives. You should be viewing your project in one of the standard views, like list or DS board or another layout you normally use. For this example, it doesn't matter which view you're in as long as you can see the task you want to approve. Next, find the specific task that needs approval. This might be something like a design draft, a piece of content, or a completed checklist item that your teammate has assigned to you for review. Once you've located it in the project, click on the task. This will open the task details panel, usually on the right side of your screen. When the task details are open, take a moment to quickly review the information inside. Check the description, any attached files, links, and the comments from your teammates. This is your chance to confirm that everything looks correct and complete before you approve it. If something seems off, you might want to leave a comment instead of approving it right away. Now, to approve the task, look towards the top area of the task details panel. You should see an option labeled Approve. This is typically near the task status or other action buttons. Go ahead and click on Approve. Once you click Approve, Asana will update the status of the task to reflect that decision. This makes it very clear to your team that the work has been reviewed and officially signed off. Everyone with access to the task will be able to see that it's approved, which helps avoid duplicate work or confusion about what still needs attention. If you ever approve a task by mistake, you can usually change the status again, depending on your team's workflow settings. It's always a good idea to double check before clicking approve, but it's also reassuring to know that adjustments are possible, and that's all you need to do. Click on the task to open it, review the details, then click approve at the top. With just those simple actions, you'll keep your projects moving smoothly and your team aligned on what's completed.